Now this is a 13 amp UK plug. Now imagine it being connected to a TV, and you're putting your TV on the TV stand. And at the back of the TV stand, there will be a slit where all the cables go. Now, of course, all the cables will fit without any problems, except the 13 amp plug. Now, in this demonstration, you can see it won't fit. Now, there's several options here. One is to cut the plug off. Two is to make the slit wider. Or three, which is the one I would choose, is to take the top off the plug, push the plug through. Now if it still doesn't go through, as you see it's a bit tight, I will then push these pins down, that one down and that one down, and that will now go through there. And then I would push the pins back down, put the top on, and we're done. And that's the most simplest way of doing it. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe.